I had this old iPhone 6 that the battery was swollen and lift off the screen, and I wanted to replace the battery so I can give this iPhone to my daughter so she can play games, and she will not use my phone to do so. I took out the two small screws. I took out the SIM tray. I tried to lift the screen, and it was very easy. The difficult part is that you need to warm the back of the phone because the battery is attached with double-sided glue. Also, you need to take two more screws to lift this small cover. You need to unscrew this cover so you can disconnect the battery connector to the phone. I use the heat gun to hit the back of the phone. Don't exaggerate with the heat so you won't ruin the phone, but hit it just enough so the glue will melt a little bit, and then you need to poke underneath the battery so you will be able to take it out. This procedure is taking a little bit time and patient, but eventually also be careful not to burn your hand because the phone will be warm. So the original title of this film was supposed to be How to Replace a Battery on iPhone 6s, but I did a mistake and I was in a hurry, and then when I went to eBay I didn't put attention that the battery I purchased is actually for iPhone 6s Plus, and only after I was able to remove the battery from the phone, I noticed that the new battery that I got in the mail is much bigger than the battery that's inside the iPhone 6s. So I'm changing the title of this video to iPhone 6s Plus New Battery Giveaway. So if there is any subscriber that want me to deliver this battery to him, just write me a comment down below and I will send it for you in the mail. So this is the swollen battery. look what happened. And this is the new battery. You can notice that there is a big difference between the two. I don't know if this iPhone 6s Plus battery will fit any other model, but you can do your own research before you write the comment